Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be discussing how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So as of now, as you can see, if we head over to any of these chats and if we have any message that is deleted, you can see if we try to find any option, there is no particular option inside Messenger to provide us with that type of functionality to recover deleted messages on Messenger. And this is a 2024 update, so make sure to follow this step. So you need to head over to your Play Store and there you need to search for Messenger recovery message. So once you search for that, you can see we have this app of Auto RDM, and this is going to be helping you to recover messages which are deleted. So if you head over to install and just wait for a couple of seconds until the app is loaded up, you need to open it and just wait for a couple of seconds. So you can see inside app we have this option of Messenger. We are going to be selecting that and click on next, and now we need to just give it access of all of these options. And once we do, we will eventually have that option to recover messages from Messenger. So make sure to try out this particular app called Auto RDM, and this is a really great option if you want to just simply recover deleted messages on Messenger. So make sure to share it with your friends, and thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next video.